All right, so again, solving limits algebraically. Yesterday, ooh, we're on fire today. We talked about factoring, right? For indeterminate forms. Then we talked about factoring and conjugate multiplication, right? I want to show you another conjugate, and then I'm going to show you some other indeterminate forms, just little nitpicky things you might run into, okay? So let's try this. Let me make sure I write it down right. Yeah. Oh. Why did I write an arrow there?
I don't know.
Yeah, what you going with it?
You were going with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this is long enough.
You're
Now
on
the way
a
I've
roll
been
today.
insulting
Real
Trevor,
salty.
and I'm 100% at that table.
If you find a way to
Well, hey, if I'm ever running for president and you don't like me, all you have to do is look at my YouTube channel. You got plenty of firepower. Hey, this
children.
I know.
You hit him with 2x4.
Only the 150 children I'm going to here. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, plug and chug. First thing you do. What do we get? Okay, it's an indeterminate form. We can continue now. So,
Do you have to show that on the test?
you are, yes. Most likely, here it is. Most likely, this is going to be a multiple choice question on the test. Any test I give you or any test the AP gives you. But you have to know that in order to continue. I'm going to show you one that doesn't happen. And you're going to be very tempted to try to solve it algebraically. Don't do it. Okay, so there's another, once we get into derivatives, there's another way to solve these. You have to have an indeterminate form first. So you used to see showing that. A lot of times, obviously, that would be a pain in the rear to try to factor. But with a root, a lot of times you can multiply by the conjugate. So that's my first try. It's going to get rid of the root in the bottom. Okay. Yeah, it's ugly. Kind of like Trevor. So just change the sign. Don't change what's in the root. Just the sign between the numbers. Okay. 100%. Question is which table next. Alright, FOIL, top, FOIL, bottom. The nice thing about the bottom here, these two become H plus 4. And these two are minus 9. That's why you do the conjugate. See how it gets rid of the middle terms on FOIL. The O and the I are gone. Minus 3 of these and plus 3 of these, that's 0. The difference is 2 squares. Okay. And then we got that one. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's going to come back. The bottom is H minus 5, right? You could probably Okay, I'm gonna rearrange. But what the conjugate does here is it allows us to factor this out. So is there a way for me to get h minus 5 in the top? Okay. We can factor a 3 out of there, right? Can I make this an h minus 5? Yeah. Because I can take the roots out.
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay, remember the four-term factoring, one of the methods is in pairs. Okay, so if I take this out of each of those,
H plus 4.
right? There's an h minus 5 left. It goes out. Now I'm going to take a 3 out of here. So now I have 2 of them, right?
And then they.
Is there an h minus 5 in each term? Then I can factor it out. I'm going to pull the h minus 5 out of each of those terms.
Oh, you can't.
I can, because this is the whole term.
Oh. Wow.
So what I end up with,
I went and drew one, two, it's me, one, two,
is that.
okay.
Well, yeah, factoring by grouping is what we call it officially. Okay. So I have grouped, see, I have grouped these terms, factored each one,
Okay.
and now I have 2
Now-
terms. This here
Now.
is the same as saying 3x plus 3y. There's 2 terms, I can factor 3 out of each of them, right? Well, there's 2 terms, I can factor the h minus 5 out of them. Now we can cancel that one.
And then, now
And all you end up with is that, you can plug and check. Oh, I dropped something. What's the answer? Now, I did something I just told you not to yesterday.
Ooh. I love it, Dad.
The more of these you do, the uglier your limit word gets.
Can I put them like this?
We're good. They're long problems, but you know how to do the math. You just gotta work through it. Okay?
No.
Let's look at another one.
This smart.
One.
Limit as x approaches 1, 1 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x squared minus 1. Plug and check. So as we approach 1, This number gets closer and closer to 0, which makes this whole quotient bigger. Yeah. So imagine a point 001 here. You get like 1,000. And then a point 0.0000001, you get a million. See how it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's going to infinity. Same thing with this one. Okay? So this is an indeterminate form. Yeah. That's why I'm showing it to you. This is how we end up with indeterminate. How do we solve that limit?
You have to,
You do.
you have to pull apart the denominator with the second term. Get this back to the second term.
Somebody said it. We need to get a common denominator from fraction subtraction. I factor that one, right? So all I need to do to get a common denominator is put one of those over here, right? So multiply top and bottom by x plus 1. And now we have x plus 1 minus 2 on top, and then the denominator. Not yet. These, no. We can't cross this out. Remember the algebra atrocities? With a plus 2 or minus 2, we can't cross those out. No crossy outy. Yeah. But if I subtract, in business, 1 minus 2. 1. These now can go bye-bye. And I can plug and chug.
2.
What?
Don't have numbers.
1 over 2. Thank you for that. Well, now it's that one away for later use.
What did you say?
Nothing.
You said 2.
So, see how a lot of these revolve around factoring? Yeah. That's why we practiced it a lot last year. And show you. Okay, let me show you some. Let me show you one here. I think just try not to answer your question, but we're gonna go ahead. Would it be? Okay, what are the facts? Let's start here. You're gonna be tempted to start with, can I factor that? X minus 3, right? No, that's not right. Can you factor it? I think you can. Okay. How? Plug and chug. Let's try. Every time. Is that an indeterminate form? No. It's 7.
Let's just switch the.
Yeah, that has to be 0. Okay, that has to be 0 for us to do algebraic simplification.
So when it's not, what is it?
So we can't use algebra here. So we will go with what? Maybe a numeric analysis or a graphical analysis. No, it has to be 0, 0.
Yeah.
If you do a numeric analysis on this one, you're going to approach 2 from both sides, right? I'll spare you the details. If you approach from the left, you get up or down, negative infinity. Yeah. Your numeric analysis will give you bigger and bigger numbers towards negative infinity, and then if you go to the right, you get positive infinity. This doesn't exist. No, it does not. Okay. So if you can't, be aware of that. It's not indeterminate. You got to use your numerical graphical knowledge. And this one, again, you draw one of those tables out, and it would do, the numbers would do this. Okay? Makes sense? I am going to start preparing you for derivatives. You'll probably recognize this. Times a squared. Yes. This is another algebraic limit. If you plug 0 in, what do we get? Okay, so we're going to simplify it algebraically.
Wait, yeah, I know.
H is 0. H is 0 is a squared minus a squared, which is?
So
A is anything. Right now. It's like saying 5. 5 squared minus 5 squared is 0. But it could also be 1 million. It's like having an x there, it's just something. So to solve this algebraically, you can FOIL. Remember, there's 2 of them. Write it out. I mean, you're going to laugh when I write stuff like that. Right? 2 of them? FOIL. And don't forget that. In a rush.
Oh, we get rid of the a squared.
The what?
A squared.
Right here?
Yeah.
That's more like it.
Yeah.
So what's H is 0? So what's the answer?
2A.
2A. I know. Welcome to math class.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I've never seen
Oh, of course.
I get it.
Let's confirm that. Thou shalt not divide by 2.
Those cancel out, right?
Percentage of the
Next year?
Right, make sure it
Factor it out. And then
Math isn't just another stage.
Follow back in. Okay, H squared and 2H. Wow.
Math is
Okay, any questions?
spheres, spheres.
Okay, the rest of the time is yours to do your homework, not chit chat.
And this is 1.624.
Come over there.
Math is just another
I'm hungry and grumpy.
I already.
Where's that? Is that here?